Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afiq Rahim bin Atan. So today I would like to present about the stock that I choose to be on this topic is Duopharma Biotech Berhad. So shall we start? So for the introduction, fundamental trading is a strategy where we're deciding which stock to buy and when to acquire by focusing on company specific event. So there is few types of traders that can be found. One is who focus on the charts graph, as known as technical traders. So technical traders are usually look for evidence or signal where there is one or there is signal to buy or sell. Focus on what the charts are given the information. So next we go to the issuing types of stock in Malaysia. So the right issue is a type privilege given to a certain stakeholder to buy stock in a particular company, which is usually below the market price. So a bonus issue is a free issuance of stocks to a particular stakeholder based on the number that particular stakeholder currently hold. For example, let's say Ali owns 30,000 shares in company A. The bonus issue would be that he will given an additional 3,000 more shares in company A. So for the type of stocks, there is two type of stock which can we trade in Bursa Malaysia. One is ordinary stock and the other one is preferential stock. So for the ordinary stock, we can buy an ordinary stock which practically own a share of a particular company. That's mean that you will be entitled to any profit that the company makes, where they will issue dividends at the end of each year. For preferential stock, which is different, totally different to an ordinary stock, where the stakeholder will receive dividend before the usual time frame of announcements of ordinary stock evidence. So preferred stock means that a certain stakeholder given their preferential treatment, and in most cases come with a fixed dividend rate. So if the company want up, the distribution assets of the company would be first given to the preferred stakeholder before the ordinary stockholder. So the other part I would like to also touch is a derivative. So what is derivative? Derivatives is where you can trade a certain security that derive their price from their parent company's stock prices. So derivatives have two types known as options and warrant. So option involve two parties known as writer or seller, or the other one it was also the taker or the buyer. So there is a writer, seller, write an option obligated to accept the sale, while the taker, which is buyer, could exercise the right to sell or buy. So on the other hand is warrant, which derive on their price from the parent company stock prices. So they are usually issued by financial institution like banks, or normally classified either for investment tradings. So this is our previous traded games, that stock that we choose. So all we can say that all the stock stated here are well known in the marketplace. So next we go to the list of instrument traded that usually develop and will perform that all traders want. So all stock we had trade may not return as great as profit. So we also have to face losses. So in Bursa Malaysia, for previous game, we did actually a research to which is analyze the price of the stock, so decide to choose using syllabus of technical analysis that have been learned from past semester. So basically, all the decision that we make, I can say that 70% from the technical analysis, the other 30% is coming from news or magazine or etc. So the company that I choose to present today is Duopharma Biotech Berhad. So Duopharma is actually a biotech biotech pharmaceutical company that in Malaysia that provide quality and innovative solutions. So this company has found in 1978. So Duopharma Biotech also incorporated in 2000s. Today is the most Malaysia's leading pharmaceutical companies listed in Bursa Malaysia. So next, I would like to give general information about technical analysis, where technical analysis is a discipline that needs the trader where to buy and sell the stock, which make from the indicators, many indicators that have in the technical analysis. So it is also found by Doe, which is known as Doe theory. Technical analysis may be contrasted and fundamental analysis, which focuses on company financials rather than historical price pattern of stock trends. So in simple word, we can say that technical analysis is used by the investor or traders to get better returns based on certain trends that can be both analyzed and predicted. For example, like moving average indicators or RSI indicators and so on. So this is a trend, the stock trend for Duopharma Biotech Berhad in the past on this year, from January to August. So at the 1st of August, Duopharma closed its price at 2 ringgits and 70 cents. So based on the chart that's given from the slide before, we can say that Duopharma Biotech Berhad stocks at the price of which traders can buy and make a good profit. As the slide have shown here, the moving average shows that there is strong signal to buy, where the MACD indicator or moving average indicators has strong stated that on other words, on the previous chart, the RSI and the volume also shown that people are buying the stock, start buying the stock. It is also signal that we believe that the stock or the price of the stock will be increased in the couple of next day. We forecasted like that, and it also shows that the trend start to be bullish for the next couple of days. So the decision as traders, it is a strong decision which we can buy the stock. So next we go to fundamental analysis, which is different from technical analysis. So fundamental analysis is actually examining the related economy and financial factors It also a study that analyzed the effect on security value from economic factors. This method of stock forecast the direction of price through analysis of historical. Remember, technical analysis not from historical, but fundamental analysis is based on historical, such as price and volume. So other than technical analysis and fundamental analysis, there is also research, reading and analyze price, which is Bursa Malaysia News itself, or Malay Mail or Starbist or other trading news website that allow us to update future in the market, which will be affecting on trading instruments price. Not only focus on website stated, but also keep ourselves adapted on current issue that will impact on shares or commodity. So before purchasing some stock from previous game, our team also discuss on using business research by gathering details and company history, goods and services as a company review. So from the data gathered, we interpret the data and recognize the market gaps in price movement. Also, the chart pattern are subjective type of technical analysis, which technicians use to specify patterns to identify what is the support and the resistance on a chart. So for conclusion, for trading, it is the need of knowledge for such traders, at least to be a successful on the trading. We can say that maybe all of us not to put faith on just get lucky on trading. Knowledge play important role in tradings to be precautious about profit, and the most important things is the loss. So with the new era of now, with the high improve on trading system, many website also teach us how to see the charts reading and also make the technical analysis in simple way. So trading is also need traders to be more focused on, and make traders to make a proper focus for their own trades. So it is not impossible, all I can say it's not impossible for the traders to be successful at a young age. So it is not impossible, but needs also, I mentioned earlier, knowledge is important in trading. So that's all for me. Thank you.